What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2014 Chevrolet Malibu 2.5. Hoy tenemos este 2014 Chevrolet Malibu 2.5 y tenemos un código en este carro muy especial. Ahorita lo van a ver. Es el P0032. So this is the code we have: P0032 heated oxygen sensor, circuit high. So the car came from another shop and they already installed a new oxygen sensor for the bank 1. He only has one bank, but the sensor is the number 1, which means it's the very first at the top. Es el primerito de arriba, es el sensor que acaban de cambiar y todavía les tira este código. Entonces yo ya hice mi diagnóstico, chequé las líneas directamente a la computadora. So I checked the lines directly from the computer to the connector of the oxygen sensor, and everything matches good. We have the power when you open the switch and your other 3 signals. I'm gonna show the diagram right now in a little bit. Ahorita les voy a mostrar el diagrama de cómo está esto para ese sensor de oxígeno. Entonces mi conclusión fue la computadora, el motor. So the conclusion for this car was the computer, because I already checked the lines. And let me just go to the front of the engine, so I'm gonna show you really quick. Okay, so here we have the oxygen sensor, and as you can see, it's new. Aquí ya tenemos el sensor de oxígeno y como ven está nuevo. Entonces yo ya chequé los cables individuales. Se desconecta el conector y se checan los cables individuales directamente a la computadora. Como pueden ver, aquí la tengo fuera. So as you can see, I have the computer outside, and all the connections for that goes to the blue connector right here. So I already did my research. Y ahorita les voy a enseñar el diagrama. So I'm gonna pull the diagram in a little bit, but I already checked all this. But I'm gonna show you how I checked it with the PowerProof. I'm gonna show you what the values you should have, and well, let's get started. Let me just bring the PowerProof really quick. So first of all, here we have the sensor, the oxygen sensor, and we have the lines. So this one right here is the resistor inside the sensor, and this one gets hot every time you open the switch, because it gets the sensor hot before even starting the car, so you can get more accurate readings. And we have the connection right here going to the computer. Como pueden ver, aquí tenemos la conexión yendo a la computadora. Tenemos dos cables. Uno debe tener la señal de negativo, que es la de return, le dice. Vamos a ver aquí. Aquí está, bank 1 sensor, pero en otros carros la mayoría es un negativo. Y pues aquí tenemos nuestra línea que le manda la señal a la computadora. Y aquí en este lado siempre tenemos un positivo y un negativo, y pues todo eso lo controla la computadora también. Como pueden ver, aquí vamos a ver el cable. Aquí está, bank 1 sensor 1. Ese es el control para el heater, y el otro es el control, la tierra para el sensor de oxígeno de aquí. Entonces vamos a agarrar el PowerProof y vamos a checar esas conexiones. So we have the PowerProof right here, and we're gonna disconnect this connection right here, and we're gonna check for the values. So we have this PowerProof that detects power ground, y vamos a checar esa aquí. Como pueden ver, esta es una señal. Aquí tenemos otra señal. Ese es el positivo para el heater. That's the positive for the heater. And there we go, 2.4. Another signal. So this is the ground that comes from the computer. And well, we have pretty much everything check. Because also you can compare the other one. It's at the bottom, the other connection for the heater. El otro conector está abajo para el otro heater, de aquí abajo, y pues puedes comparar los valores de ese con este, y pues ya también chequé esos cables directos aquí. Hasta hice un puente para ver si se quita el código, y no se quita. Entonces va a ser la computadora. So we have another computer here. It's a new one. Aquí tenemos otra computadora nueva, y ese es el número aparte. Y pues tenemos que programarla. Esta está en blanco Y lo malo de esas computadoras es que una vez que las programas, ya nunca más se pueden programar en otro carro. So once these computers are programmed, you cannot change it. It's just the way they design these computers, and it's just one-time use, and that's it. So we're gonna use let me just go over here. I'm installing the TechLine Connect in a little bit, which is this one, installing GM, and it's a free software, but you have to pay the membership. So as you can see, this is the software we need to use. It's called TechLine Connect, and we're gonna connect with the vehicle. First, we need the old computer just to get the right VIN number and everything, and we're gonna connect it using this. But before that, we're gonna turn off this scanner because we don't want to connect while it's programming, because it's gonna lose all connection and do a big mess. Trust me, I've done it once and I'm not going to do it again. So let me just connect this, connect it, and we're gonna connect the USB to the computer. There we go. And we're gonna open the switch and connect to the vehicle, and it's gonna ask me to select my pass-through device, and which is the JBCI, and it's connected. So it says reprogram. We're gonna attempt a reprogramming first and see if it's gonna fix the issue or not. So we're gonna select SPS2. It's gonna load the programming service, and we're just gonna wait until it gets all the calibrations from, well, until it communicates with everything, and it will give me a list of all the available modules in the system. So we gotta wait. For this, you need a valid subscription, and you need to go to AC Delco, create an account, and from there you can start buying your PIN number, which is $45 for each one. Entonces tienen que crear una cuenta para poder entrar a este programa, y cobran $45 por cada BIN que uses. Entonces we're gonna do next. Vamos a darle siguiente. Ahorita van a encontrar todos los controladores soportados en este BIN. Alright, so here we have all the support modules, and we're gonna select engine control module. We're gonna do reprogramming, see if we have any available updates. Vamos a ver si tenemos actualizaciones para esta computadora, y sí, vamos a usar el VIN number que tenemos. También tienen que ver que siempre matche el VIN con el sticker del carro. So we're gonna wait. It's gonna get the programming data, y como pueden ver aquí, nuestra calibración corriente es 02 y tenemos una nueva calibración. Entonces vamos a primero programar esta computadora. We're gonna program this computer first, the original, and we're gonna see if it's gonna fix our issue or not. So let's go. It's gonna load all the required information, and for this you need to put a battery maintainer. Pues tienen que siempre poner un mantenedor de batería, porque si no se la puede descargar, pero usualmente es el proceso rápido, pero yo les recomendaría de todos poner un cargador all the time. So I'm gonna put a charger because this thing is gonna take a while, so I'll be back. Right, so it's in the final stage. Ya mero termina de programar, y como ven, ya programó. Entonces vamos a borrar todos los códigos primero, y pues ahorita lo voy a prender y voy a volver a conectar el scanner. So I'm gonna erase the codes, and then I'm gonna turn on the car and check for codes with the scanner, see if we have the same code again. If we do, then we're gonna go ahead and replace the computer and start over. But sometimes you can fix a problem like this. If it has a programming issue, you can do it. So we're gonna do this and proceed with the VIN number. So we're gonna disconnect right now. We're gonna just turn it off, and we're gonna turn on the scanner. So let me just set this up, turn everything on, and I'll be back. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna check for codes again. So I haven't turned on the car yet, no lo he prendido. Vamos a ver si hay códigos. No hay códigos, como pueden ver. Y antes lo borraba, sí se borraba el código y lo prendía y de volada salía el código. So before I used to clear the code and it will come on quick, so we're gonna turn it on and let's see what happens. No codes yet, so nothing, no hay códigos todavía. And boom, we still have the same code. So we're gonna replace the computer because definitely the computer is not good. So yeah, let's go ahead and replace it. The brand new computer is already connected and we're gonna open the switch and you're gonna see the anti-theft right now. We should see it right here. We're gonna see vehicle immobilize, server break assist, and change oil soon, and it will not turn on. So as you can see, it doesn't even start. So we're gonna program that computer. Vamos a programar esa computadora. Como pueden ver, pues no prende el carro. Y flashea el check engine, pues no tiene ninguna calibración todavía. That's why it's not turning on. And one thing is program the computer and the other thing is program the keys. So vamos a programar primero la calibración y luego la computadora. Entonces vamos a hacer setup. Vamos a poner next. Voy a checar el bin. Y pienso que tengo que volver a conectar la computadora original. So I think I have to connect the original back, because we're gonna just get it ready to remove it. And let me just see right here. Come on. Come on. So it's gonna download the calibration. Well, actually I don't have to do anything. So it's gonna do it automatically. Pues va a descargar la calibración automáticamente. No tengo que hacer nada más que esperar. So it's downloading right here from the server. And tool lock. So it's gonna do, it's actually just to relearn the crime variation and the idle and all that. So we're gonna cancel that and we're gonna go back again to the beginning. So we're gonna do it something different. So at the beginning it's gonna ask you if you want to reprogram or program. Como pueden ver aquí pregunta reemplazar y reprogramar. Entonces le damos siguiente. So we hit next. And come on, we're gonna do engine control module and we're gonna hit next with programming included. So the setup thing, I can do it with the scanner, it's a lot quicker, but if you don't have a scanner, then you can probably just do the setup here, everything all at once. Let me just turn off this annoying thing because it's annoying. So here we have this and we have new software improved. So we already checked for that. And let's see, we have a bunch of calibrations new. So yeah, we're gonna just hit next and start programming the same bin number. So we hit programming and it's gonna start doing the process right into ECU. So we're gonna wait a little bit. Como pueden ver, ya está ahí. Vamos a esperar un ratito y pues a ver qué pasa. Ojalá y todo salga bien. Alright, so we are 5 seconds out. Nos quedan 5 segundos y pues ahorita van a prender todas las luces para atrás. So we're gonna wait. Vamos a esperar. Vamos a esperar a ver qué hace. Y ahí están las luces otra vez. So it's all good. Y listo. So we're waiting more time. Alright, so now we need to learn the immobilizer. Ahora tenemos que aprender el inmovilizador. Como pueden ver, seleccioné immobilizer learn. Y pues aquí tenemos que darle siguiente, next. Please confirm the ECU has been replaced. And yes. So we're gonna download this. It's gonna download the calibration again. And we're gonna start the process. Vamos a empezar el proceso otra vez. Como pueden ver, va a prender el inmovilizador del carro. Y pues aquí tenemos que seleccionar lo que hicimos, Engine Control Module, y tenemos que seleccionar ese Engine Control Module Immobilizer Learn. Entonces vamos a darle siguiente y se va a tardar como 12 minutos, so it's gonna take like 12 minutes to learn the immobilizer, and then we will be able to turn on the car. Alright, so the car is on. We still have the check engine light on, but that's because we have to do the relearn for the crankshaft. But the main thing I'm concerned is about that heater oxygen code. So we're gonna go to diagnosis module, and let's hope we don't have that code again. Esperemos que no tengamos ese código. Está la luz del check engine prendida, pues una computadora nueva y tengo que ver. Como pueden ver, aquí está el crankshaft y ya no tenemos el código del heater. Se fue, gone. So as you can see, guys, the code for the heater is gone. I only have to do the crankshaft relearn, and for that we need to do special function, and we're gonna do crankshaft variation relearn, and we have to let the car warm up a little bit. It's gonna tell me in a little bit. And we need to put the parking brake on. Vamos a poner el parking brake on. Vamos a calibrar todo esto ahorita. Vamos a apagar el AC. AC está apagado. Y device limit está muy baja, entonces hay que esperar a que se caliente. Alright, so it's already warm and we need to accelerate really quick. So we're gonna accelerate. And there we go. We have the check engine light off. Test passed successfully. Como pueden ver, ya pasó la prueba y pues ya no tenemos el código del sensor de oxígeno. Vamos a tener nomás esos dos, entonces vamos a borrarlos. Vamos a cerrar la llave, abrirla. Vamos a hacer un escaneo completo del sistema. Y pues es bien rápido este escáner para eso. So as you can see, we're doing a scan of the whole system, and we're gonna clear all the codes. All codes clear. There we go. There we go. We still have codes on the airbag. Tenemos códigos en el airbag, pero es por otra cosa. Lo que querían es que se borra el check engine, y pues ya está listo el check engine. So we're gonna turn it on again. Control unit, trouble codes, y no debe haber ningún código, como pueden ver, no codes. So we successfully fixed the issue for the heater on this car. This is how you program the computer on a 2014 Chevrolet Malibu. If you have the code and you install a new sensor, you check the wires directly to the computer, well, the main concern is gonna be the computer. Entonces, si ya checaron los cables a la computadora, ya cambiaron el sensor y ya hicieron muchas cosas, entonces pues lo que queda es cambiar la computadora. Bueno, pues espero que les haya gustado el video. Por favor, si pueden suscribirse al canal, suscríbanse, comenten, please. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on so you can be updated with every video I upload every week. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on this next episode. Fix up. Bye.